So for complete satellite installation, these are some of the tools that you're going to be needing, and I'm going to be introducing them one after the other. So going from the left to right, this on the number one on our list here is the satellite meter. This is a satellite meter. You can see this is the switch, and this is the port where you plug this cable and then plug to the dish to track the satellite. You can see the meter, you can see satellite setting, signal scan, tools. So if you want to scan your satellite, you come right to the signal scan and then you press enter, where you can then edit the frequency to track your satellite. I'm still going to do a video mainly for this meter on how to use it and all that, but let's continue. Next is the cable. This cable is what you're going to use to connect from this meter to the dish in order to, track the signal using the frequency that you inputted into this meter. The next is these spanners. These are different sets, different sizes of spanners. You have from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then some few selected ones that have both round and flat. These are depending on the normal sizes of bolts and nuts that comes with the dish. So next on the list is screwdriver. Of course, you're going to need a screwdriver to tighten some things, especially on the dish. The next is spanner. When you're going to cut the cable or terminate them, you're going to need spanners. And then next is blade. It's used for peeling the cable. If you don't have blade, a razor blade can still serve. It's not necessary that it must be exactly this type, but a razor blade can still serve. And then next is the hammer. It is used to nail the dish on the wall or on the rooftop. Then next are nails. You're going to need nails as far as you're concerned. As far as you're going to nail the dish on either the wall or on the rooftop, you're going to need nail. And next is black tape, and then your scaler. This scaler, it is used when you want to attach another LNB on your dish. When you want to add a second LNB on the dish, that's when this scaler is needed. You can see this is where the LNB is going to enter and sit. And then next you're going to need is an extra LNB, or sometimes they call it LNBF. This LNB stands for low noise block down converter. The low noise block down converter is, you call it LNB or LNBF. It has two main functions. Number one, it is a low noise amplifier, meaning that it takes the extremely weak satellite signal, and amplifies it and then sends it to the decoder. And then it is also a block down converter, meaning that it takes signals on the from the satellite frequency and then converts them to lower frequencies. And so this LNB is very important and crucial. So you might need an extra one. So as an installer, you need to have an extra one. In case of maintenance, maybe the customer's LNB is not good, you have this extra one for replacement and all that. So these are the basic things that you're going to need. Every other thing are just minor ones, but everything you can see here are the basic things you're going to need for a complete satellite installation. The next you're also going to talk on the other equipment, such as the dish, the decoder, and the cables. We are going to create a separate video for that. So like, subscribe, and share this video. You can also comment and share your thoughts, so that we can continue making new and nice videos. Thank you very much. Please subscribe.